My controller. A beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day to all of you beauties. It's another episode of Abby Family Bar, and it's today. It is our another unboxing of Christmas gifts. Yes. This is my pogi nephew. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. But before I start, please do like and subscribe at my YouTube channel, Abby Family Bar, and comment down below. Today we are going to unbox a lot of gifts for Tita Abby. Okay? Because Maxi is going to help me unboxing. Yay! First unboxing. Yes, I have so many gifts. Thank you so much. From one of my lovely clients, from Jenny Provo, which is the owner of the Glen
No.
Yes, please follow her on her Instagram account. Let's open it. Thank you so much, Jenny. Oh, this is a tiger eye bracelet. Yes, tiger eye bracelet possess healing properties. Many individuals feel a deep spiritual connection when wearing a tiger eye bracelet. Ayan. Thank you, Jenny. I really have so many thoughtful clients. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. So I'm gonna put this on my stacks. Yes. And yes. The next one. Thank you so much. Look at this. Chocolate whipping popcorn. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. I really love it. This is from my mom. Abby, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Love Tito Arnold and Mommy. Thank you so much. You know I love red. So it says jogging pants. Yes. Also sweat. So I love it. And of course ang katerbang red panty. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you so much. I really love red. So if you notice, I have a lot of red robes, red, everything red. The next unboxing is Cartier. Thank you so much, Cartier. Cartier never fails to send me gifts every occasion. Cartier. Yes, baby. So, dear Abby, Dom, and family, may this beautiful holiday season fill your heart with love, sending hugs and kisses from Las Vegas, Cartier, Elena. Thank you, Elena. You're the best. Thank you so much. Let's open it up. Wow. Beautiful presentation. I really love it. I think it is chocolate. Oh my God, it is chocolate. Good job, baby. And then there's another one. When you open your gifts, you have to kind of tear it apart. Square it in. It's a card. It's a play card. A social play card, Cartier. Ah, so pretty. Thank you so much. There's one more gift. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Cartier. A beautiful, of course, my panther, my fabulous vase. Thank you so much, Cartier. You're the best. Next one, another gift. This is from. By the way, thank you, Ate Maria, for this pajama and also the red robe. Thank you, Ate Nora, for the sunglass organizer. Thank you so much, Ate. And this is from my lovely staff also. Oh, yes! Wow, look at that. It's so beautiful. There is a hand soap, different types of hand soap, and different flavor. Yan. Thank you so much. From Emily, Nurse M, thank you so much. Let's open it. Oh my gosh! Pajama! Look at that, Cassie. Look. Oh wow. Thank you so much, M. Again, there's another gift. This gift is from Van Cleef. Actually, they have two gifts. They have two gifts to us. So let's open it. Ooh, it's from Quince. This is from Quince. Yes. Quince is a fine dining Michelin star restaurant in San Francisco. So thank you so much, BCA. But there's one more gift from BCA. Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Thank you so much. This is from Van Cleef. This is the brand is from Sebastian, made exclusively for Van Cleef and Arpels. Thank you so much, Van Cleef. So beautiful. Thank you so much. One more. This is from Audemars Piguet. Thank you so much from Audemars Piguet. Oh, it's like a chest thing. Ah, so beautiful. Thank you. Last but not the least, a gift from my loving husband, Papa Dom. He gave me 2 gifts. Tito Dom. He gave me 2 gifts. We will start with Van Cleef and we'll end with this one. Okay? Okay. What's inside? It feels good. Why? It's soft. Okay. Alright. Let's open it. See? Oh my gosh. Thank you. What's this? Oh, thank you. It's a jewelry. It's a bracelet. It's a bracelet. Actually, this is one in the US only. This is a magic. This is a bigger one. But I think this is a nice bracelet. Thank you so much, Papa Dom. It's a Rolex with pave diamond. Ayan, so beautiful. I'm really a collector of watch, and thank you, Papa Dom, for gifting this to me. Let's put it right here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Papa Dom, for this lovely, lovely gift. That's it. That's my gift this holiday season. Thank you so much. Ang daming parigalo. Thank you so much. But before I go, I want to share with you guys another skincare tips. Because a lot, especially now that it's winter, the weather is really, really dry. It's really, really cold. Very important for us to really take care of our lips. How can you take care of your lips? Make sure you scrub your lips at least 3 times a week. So we do have our lip scrub. Alam niyo kung ginagamit ko siya, lip scrub. You just have to scrub it on your lips 3 times a week. If you can do it every night, that would be nice. Right after you scrub, you apply our lip sunscreen. Very important. It's a different sunscreen on the face, on the neck, and also on your lips. This is SPF 40 with vitamin C and E. Has great antioxidant. Ayan, there you have it. Always remember, be kind, be positive, always be grateful with what you have, and bawa ng negative. Thank you, Lord, for a fabulous 2024. Thank you so much for following and subscribing on my channel. We look forward for a more blessed and prosperous 2025. Until then, beauty is within reach with Abby. Love, love everyone. God bless. Mwah, 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 mwah. And don't forget to like and subscribe at my YouTube channel, Abby Paclabar, and comment below